Hello everyone, let's start data analysis class. I mean data science class. Okay, so let me share the screen for you. So we are working in the normalization. Just to remind you that we have discussed about max, F's normalization, mean normalization, X4 and log scaling. Then we work for the intermediate, means working with the real data, means intermediate stage. Okay, let me tell you that this is a two-dimensional data set, right? This rows represent students and columns represent subject. See, data is equal to np.array 78, 85, 90. जो ये row है, this row is denoting the student, and this column wise, these values are for maths, physics, and chemistry, right? So how many students values are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. ठीक है? Subject ठीक है. Then print it. So you can print it. So I am just showing you. This is the data set, right? This one is import Numpy as NP. Criteria info. You can see these are the values, right? Now average marks per student. We can calculate the average mark. For that you have to use mean, right? So np.mean of what? Data, and this axis 1, right? So students का average निकाल रहे हैं, तो उसी first one axis जो first axis है उसी को हम consider कर रहे हैं. So student average is equal to the average. And then let me show you. This is the student average. Like for the first one, how much it should come? Like 84.33 for this one. That way, 91 point something. Okay, so ऐसे आ रहा है. So how many values we have got? This one, this one, this one. So 3 subjects, of course. Okay. Similarly, we can calculate TOPA. कैसे calculate कर रहा है? NP dot max, max, student average. Student average means जो maximum है. So वो हमने TOPA में assign किया. And then we are just making the TOPA index. Let me tell you this one. The TOPA student index. So index हमने find out here. Okay, and that index is 2, right? You can see here. Then next we try to find out the failed students. For that we have given one filter, and p.any data is less than 50. One axis, first axis we are considering. So they are the failed students. Okay. Now, next one we are considering, say, same data, but here we are intentionally considering some non-values are also there. Okay, this data. Let me show that the slide. ये तो हो गया. ठीक है, एक्सिस 1 आपको दिखा दिया मैंने. रो वाइज हमने कैलकुलेट किया था सब्जेक्ट एवरेज एंड पिक अप मीन दैट. Axis 0 if we consider, then that will be column wise, but हमने row wise consider किया. This is exactly what schools and analytics dashboards compute, right? Then we have computed the proper. We just calculate the max and the index, right, where the maximum value is coming. That value we are considering as the topper value. Student who failed less than 15 any subject. Who failed students, data np.any data is less than 15. First axis we are considering. These are now putting the failed students, then we are printing the failed students. And this is known as Boolean indexing, because see, data is less than 50. ये either yes or no होगा result. So that is true and false. So that is known as Boolean indexing, and it is very powerful in data science. Now let's come to the data advanced portion. Means I told you, I am intentionally putting NaN. So that is for machine values. So handling missing data, suppose some marks are missing, that is not NaN. So these are the values we are considering, that is NP array. Numpy array हमने consider किया 75, 78, 85 np.nen, मतलब हमने जो subjects consider किया था, what are the subjects we are considering? Maths, physics, chemistry. So chemistry में हमने लिया np.n. Similarly 45 np.n nan for the second student is physics, and then the others, right? These are the students, row wise these are the students. Student 1, student 2, 3, 4, but it is the index 0. Actually it starts from the 0, right, by default. And these are the subjects, and means the column wise these are the subjects. And print before cleaning, we are printing it. Just show, let you show the values. These are the things. Before cleaning, we have this value, you can see here, right? So these are the values before cleaning. Now we need to clean. We need to find out the way to deal with the NPN. Okay. So for that, replace missing values with column mean. मतलब मैंने पहले भी बोला था, column का जो mean होगा उसको हमने NaN की जगह पे रख दिया. कैसे हम कर रहे हैं? How we are doing that? NP.NaN mean data axis, that is a column mean. Assigned to column mean, then INDS index NP where NP dot is NaN data. अगर NaN है तो हमने INDS को find out कर लिया, मतलब we have found out the index where this NaN is exists. Then in that index we need to replace the value of NaN by mean. So what we have done NP dot take column means comma INDS 1. समझ में आ गया? जो इंडेक्स मिला था उसमें हमने जिस इंडेक्स में NaN मिला था उसको हमने कॉलम मीन से रिप्लेस कर दिया. सो प्रिंट इट आफ्टर क्लीनिंग. मैं शो यू. You can see here. See after cleaning. Hello. Wait, what? Oh, why can be among class tapasilo? Okay, hi. So you can see that the earlier value NPNN, so this value is now being replaced by 73.666. How it is possible? We are just replacing with the mean value. Okay. ये screenshot ले लो जो पढ़ाया मैंने, whatever we have taught. You do it and show me. I am just going for a meeting. After that, I should get your output in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.